Hello and good day, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the Unichain airdrop. Please, take this airdrop very serious. You need to understand that this is one of the very important airdrop in the Web3 space that you don't want to miss right now. This is not Telegram tap to earn airdrop, not one of the mini game, mini app or whatever airdrop on Uniswap, on Telegram rather. So some years ago when Uniswap first came out, they gave people airdrop and it was really worth it. It was really, should I say, a very tangible amount of money, right? So imagine people getting 200k, almost 500k from Uniswap back then. Now they just released a new service, or should I say, a new product, and then which automatically gives us another chance to get their airdrop if we test the platform for them. So we are going to be this is a testnet airdrop for Unichain, their product, their new service they just released. So one of the first thing you need to have is your Kiwi browser here, as you can see, this Kiwi browser. Then you need to have your MetaMask installed there on your Kiwi browser. Your MetaMask here, MetaMask extension. So after having all that intact, now let's start the airdrop. Number one, you need to add network. The first thing to do, we'll add Unichain Sepolia network because it is on that chain that we'll be doing the testnet transactions. So let's start. On this icon here, these three dots, click on it. Then click on settings. You click on settings, scroll down to networks, click on networks. So now you will scroll down here. You will click on add network, this button. Then it will give you it will open a tab to fill for you. Just click on manually add network. For some of you, you might see the manually add directly. So it's going to open this empty tabs, empty input fields for you. So you put the network name here. You will put the new RPC URL here. I'm going to drop the details on the description area of this video on YouTube. So check it. You will see everything in front of it. You will see the chain ID. So just input everything accordingly. You will see the currency. You will see the blockchain explorer, right? So let me show you. Can you see here? This is network name, right? RPC chain. So you just copy it. You just copy each one and input it into the respective area. So let me just copy. So this is how you copy the details. You don't have to copy the title along with it, please. We are not doing that. You're only copying the what is in front of each title. Settings. Okay, initially you are supposed to see this form displayed down here. So as you can see, by the time you fill your own form while adding the network, your network name will be this Unichain Sepolia. Your RPC URL will be HTTPS. Please don't forget to input HTTPS and this semicolon / in front of it, right? Then the chain ID 1301, the currency Ethereum, right? That is how you will do it. So then the blockchain explorer you will add it, but make sure HTTPS is also in front of it. So that is all about adding the network. Then we move on to the next stage, which is the faucet. So this is the faucet link. You will also see it on the description area of the video. You copy it. It starts from this HTTPS down to this Sepolia, right? So you copy it. In my own case, I already have it opened. So I already have it opened here. So you would copy your address. This is where you will copy your address on MetaMask. This is the button you will click. Once you click this button, it will copy your address for you. Then come to this is the faucet. The faucet is going to what you use the faucet for is to get testnet tokens that you will use to perform transactions on the testnets. Let's copy it. Copy. Let's have it. Paste it here. So we are trying to get some testnets tokens now. So this is the site where you get it. When you come here, just click into this tab and paste your address. Just paste your address into the tab. So that's all you will do. Then click on receive 0.05 Sepolia ETH. Sign in. So it's asking me to sign into Google. So I'm now signed in. Then I'm going to paste my address here. And I'll click on receive Sepolia ETH. What's all this? So I just reloaded the page. You are going to get a successfully sent ETH sent message. I don't know why it's saying this at this time, but I don't know why it's saying this, but if you do yours, it's supposed to tell you that it has been sent successfully, right? Because I did with one of my wallets, my main wallet. I'm just doing this on another wallet to create a tutorial for it. So let me just go and send the one I received on my new wallet to this new um wallet I'm trying to use now, so that you can go ahead. But that is how to request for the Sepolia testnet Ethereum that you will use to perform transactions. So let me just copy my address and um send it from the second. So your chain network should be showing here. So, but if it's not showing, just click on use desktop site for Metamask. So allow it to reload, and then click on it. This is what I meant, right? So the Ethereum is on Sepolia network. If they send it, this Sepolia network, right? So if they send it to you, that's where you will see it. You have to switch to the Sepolia network on the wallet you used to receive it. So I'm going to send to the main wallet that I want to use now. But you will go to, is that Google Cloud address that you will go to, and you will receive the way I just showed you. Will request by submitting your address and clicking on receive the way I just showed you. So I'm going to be sending 0.2. All right, click on continue. Click on confirm. So it's sending. Let me change to the wallet. So as you can see, I've received the Ethereum here, 0.2477. Now, the next thing to do is bridging. After you had the network, you've request for set tokens, then Superbridge. So this is the Superbridge address. This all this link is going to be on the description area of this video on YouTube. So just copy the address and then click on connect wallet. Then click on Metamask. So it will open a prompt for you. Click on next. Confirm. So we are successfully connected. All you want to do here is to bridge from Sepolia. So since we've received 0. In your case, you might receive, I believe you should receive 0.25. So I'm bridging 0.05. 0.05 is okay. I'm going to be bridging 0.05 since I have 0.24 in my wallet balance. Kindly know this Ethereum they are sending to you it does not have real value. It's like a fake currency, a fake naira or a fake dollar you get. So we call them testnet tokens. We use them to do testnet transactions on testnet protocols. So click on review bridge. Then click on continue. So mark all these things and click on continue. Click on start here. Then you will come to your Metamask here and reload again. Reload the Metamask because it has to show you an approval prompt. As you can see, after I reload, it's showing me that there's a transaction, a pending transaction. So you click on confirm. So let's see how far it's going here. So as you can see now, it's loading. So it's bridging now, as you can see. So it might take 3 minutes to do that. So I don't think we should wait. What's the next? Okay, you breach two, then you breach back again. So let's just wait. Let's just, as you can see, it's successful and it's not even up to 3 minutes. So click on this X here, cancel. Then you come here, you bridge it back from you. What we did first is we bridge from Sepolia, as you can see here, from Sepolia to Unichain Sepolia. Now we are bridging from, click the arrow in between. What's this? What's this? Sorry about that. So click this arrow in between, this arrow here, right? So to switch it. So now we are going to be bridging from Unichain Sepolia to the normal Sepolia. 0.05 was what we bridged to Unichain Sepolia. So that's what is in our balance here, in our available balance. So you shouldn't bridge everything, as you can see. So let's just bridge 0.03 or 0.04, right? Let me just use 0.035. Then click on review and bridge. Continue. Click on continue. Click all this box and click on continue. So click on start. Don't forget, you'll also have to come to the Metamask again to find the prompt. Always reload when the prompt is not automatically showing. Metamask can be misbehaving at times. So it's asking to switch from Sepolia to Unichain Sepolia. Click on switch network. It's still waiting for some approval. Reload again. Reload again and click on confirm. This is the approval transaction. So let's go back to the Superbridge and let's see. So it's bridging now. It's starting to bridge. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to wait for this because you can see wait for 10 minutes. Then after this 10 minutes is after it is checked, then you will see proof will be active. Click on proof, and then it might require you to go back to your MetaMask and reload and see the approval transaction and approve again. So just do it like that. Then the next will be wait for 7 days to receive it. But from my experience, this proof is not working. I don't really know from my experience. For as of now, I think it's still pending. So if it goes through from your side, fine. If it doesn't go through, just keep checking it. You can always come back there, and then you will see something like history on the Superbridge area, transaction history. Then so from there you can proceed, and then click on it and you will see the pending transaction. Click on it again and try to prove it. So you can always do that. Now the next thing is this. We are going to use this second bridge again because we just completed step 4. So this is the link, https. So just copy it, and come. While waiting for this, let's continue the other one. Superbridge Sepolia. Okay, this is it. This is the page. I have them open already. On your own case, you might have to reload it. So we've loaded the page now. Please have your page on, open your page with on desktop sites, because I think I experienced some limitations while doing this without desktop site. So just come here and activate it, right? So to make things easy for you. So now we are here. First thing is to connect wallets. We are using Metamask. So just click on reload. Confirm. So it's connected now, as you can see. You have to bridge from Unichain to Sepolia. So we have 0.015 on Unichain Sepolia, right? Let's just use 0.05. Let's bridge 0.05. So click on review transaction. Click on I understand. Mark this box here. This box, right? Then click on confirm. So I think I kept encountering this error here too. I don't know why. So, but I've seen others, the others who did it, they did not encounter the error. So I don't know why. It might be some setup in my MetaMask. So I just hope you don't encounter that same error. So if you encounter the error, maybe we'll sort it out later in the community on the WhatsApp group. So, but I strongly believe you will not encounter the error simply because I'm having it here, and I still don't know what to do with it. I'm still trying to check what to do. Or maybe we'll use expert mode. Okay, let's just force everything. It's supposed to be from Unichain to Sepolia. I'm trying to see if this will fix it. If this expert mode will fix it. First transfer. Um, Unichain. All right. Click on the arrow to. Let's use first withdrawal. Unichain. Let's see if this will work. If this first whatever is going to work. 06. Review transaction. I understand. Confirm. Let's see. Is it going to work? Oh, I think so. I think it's going to work. So we'll go to our wallet here. You come back to your wallet. Normally, MetaMask is just somehow, because normally before you will see the pending transaction waiting for you to approve it, but now I'm having to reload every time. It doesn't make sense. So switch network. I still don't know if this will solve it though, but let's just see. There should be an approval transaction. Oh, there's nothing here. There's nothing like that. This is so terrible. Okay, let me just cancel it and click on review transaction again. Then let's click on I understand. Check the box. Let's click on continue. Oh, it should be in the other wallet. The main wallet I'm using. That's where the transaction should be. Let me click on review again. I understand. There's supposed to be an approval transaction here. Oh, Metamask. Well, so that is the after you had network, you request for Faucet tokens, then you use the super bridge, then the next step is here the bridge. So I just hope you don't encounter this problem. If you initially you're not supposed to come to this expert mode area, right? You're not supposed to activate it. So just try to do your thing normally. Try to bridge from Unichain to Sepolia normally, as you can see. Input it and then enter amount. But if it's not working, then you click here. If you encounter the same error, click here. Then um um then click on the expert mode here. So after clicking the expert mode, you can try force withdrawal, then do it. If it doesn't work, then try force transfer, do it. So and see the one that will work for you. So but I just hope you don't have to come to all these places, because when I saw that when it did not encounter this issue, and MetaMask can misbehave at times. So I just want to believe it's my MetaMask. So now I was saying something about Superbridge the other time, that I was saying something about proof. Let's see if this transaction is as work. So even here now, this proof is supposed to be active. I don't know why this is the error I said I encountered too in this super bridge. So you can always refer to it back here. I don't know, maybe it's a glitch currently, so you can always refer to it here. So even if you close the site, you close your browser and everything, you can always come back there and click on this one and continue it. So it will bring up this thing again. So that's it about that. Now the next stage, which I will call the last stage, is to deploy a smart contract, right? So we are going to be using thirdweb.com/explore to do that. So copy the link. You will see the link on the description area. Copy it. In my own case, I already have it here. So once you load the page, after you load the page, click on sign in. Click on connect wallet. Connect the wallet. Metamask. So come back to your Metamask. You should see the prompt waiting for you. A third web prompt. So we are connected. Then come back to the third web page. Click on sign in. Go back to your Metamask. You'll have to okay. Click on signature request. Confirm. I think it has been confirmed. So after doing that, click on NFT drop. So all you just have to do is sign in and then click on this. It's very straightforward. Click on deploy. The deploy button here. Click on it. Don't forget the one you are clicking is under the popular tab. Right. Then come here. Click on deploy now. Deploy now. So come to your wallet, your MetaMask, reload it. Click on deploy now again. Come to the MetaMask. Reload it. Then approve the transaction. Confirm. Click on confirm. Ooh. So let's see, deploying smart contract and deploying contract. We've approved it there, so it's currently working. As you can see, pending. So you come back here, you see signature request. Click on it. In your case, you might have to reload again to see it. So click on confirm. So this is the last confirmation. So after that, you can see it is deploy contract has been marked. Then head into dashboard. So after that, you can view. You can click on view contract. It has been successfully deployed. You can click on view contract here to view it. Right. So it will show the name you input. So as you can see, this is the name I inputted. So this is what I deployed. Right. Now, so that is the last step, but this other step is completely optional. I don't see other influencers doing it, but I don't know, maybe it has been done before. So if you have the gas fee, you can do it. I'll drop the link, the zora.co/connect slash blah blah blah. You'll see it on the YouTube description area too. So this is their NFT, Unichain NFT. So you can just click on it, load it. Note that I think this is optional because other people are not maintaining it. So once the page load, after the page loads, just click on mint. So this NFT has been deployed 4 months ago. Can you see? So it's possible that a lot of people have minted. So just click on mint. Or is it 3 days ago? So just click on mint. I think it's going to be asking me for Arbitrum gas fee now. So let's see. I'm clicking on mint again. So mint is asking me to you know so it's asking, so you see asking me to bridge 0.007 Ethereum to Arbitrum. But in your case, you don't have to bridge. Just get Arbitrum network to your address. Just send Arbitrum network, Arbitrum X to your address, and then so I think you should be good to go. So if you don't know how to, if you need Arbitrum one network, if you need Arbitrum one Ethereum and you don't know how to get it, you can contact me. And so that's for that. So let's quickly do a walkthrough. But I don't forget, I said I think it's optional, but there might be an advantage of having it. So I think I'm going to do it too later on. So this is the walkthrough. Again, your first step is to add your network. So I showed you in the video. Your second step is to claim Faucet tokens, request Faucet Ethereum to your address. Your third step is to go to the Superbridge, bridge from Sepolia to Unichain. Then the fourth step is to bridge back from Unichain Sepolia back to Sepolia. Um, then the fifth one is the bridge, the last bridge we used that was giving me error. So I hope it does not give you error. But this is usually the issue with this testnets when you just start. So they usually have some glitches here and there. That is why we are testing it to know, right? So if you're on their Discord server, you can easily find a place where they write feedback. Maybe it's there. So if they are open for feedback, you can give them your experience, what you the errors you encountered, and so on, right? And then you might also see people dropping their address there after dropping their feedback. So just make sure once you drop your feedback, attach your wallet address there to there might be extra bonus for those people. So that is if you know how to find your way to the Discord. That is that you can search for the actual Unichain their page on Twitter. Then from there you will see their Discord link. So from there you can join and see if there's anything like submitting feedback there. Then the last step is to deploy a contract, and that is the third web. So I believe with this guide you should be able to do everything you need. Thank you.